I believe the traditional models of leadership, which have guided us for decades, are being challenged by the rapid evolution of technology, innovations, and shifting dynamics of the globalization. See, this is where the concept of adaptive leadership comes into play. Navigating uncertainty, the art of adaptive leadership in project management, is the title of our session. Because we believe adaptive leadership is the future of effective project management. It's about understanding the landscape environment we are in and the challenges it brings to us. The environment is quite dynamic and requires our leadership is to be the dynamic as well. We have to be agile, we have to be resilient. At the heart of the adaptive leadership are three core perspectives. It is me, the leader, the we, the team, and us, the organization, the environment we are in. See, imagine leading a way that not only navigates but thrives in uncertainty. This is the essence of the adaptive leadership.